Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how to confirm someone's identity in Chinese? Have you ever wanted to politely ask someone, are you Miss Li or are you Mr. Wang? Today we're learning 是吗, one of the most useful grammar patterns for beginners. With this, you can ask simple yes or no questions in Chinese like, are you a teacher or are you a student? What is 是? The verb 是 means to be, like am, is, are in English. For example, 我是老师 means I am a teacher. 李友是学生 means Li Yo is a student. If we want to turn a statement into a yes or no question, we simply add the particle ma at the end. For example, 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? 我是老师 Yes, I am a teacher. 我不是老师 No, I am not a teacher. Another example, 你是学生吗? means are you a student? 我是学生 means yes, I am a student. 我不是学生 means no, I am not a student. Now let's try with names. 你是李友吗? means are you Li Yo? 你是王鹏吗? means are you Wang Peng? This is a polite way to confirm who someone is. Just answer with 是, yes, or 不是, no. Easy, right? Now let's test what you learned. I'll show you two sentences. Can you change it into a 是吗 question? 我是学生 means I am a student. What is the question? 王鹏是中国人 Wang means Wang Peng is a Chinese person. What is the question? Write your answers in the comments below. Later on, you'll also see 是吗 used in another way, for emphasis or asking about a detail. For example, 你是坐飞机来的吗 means did you come by plane? But for now, don't worry about that today. We'll worry about this more advanced use later. For now, just remember 是吗 makes a yes or no question. So remember, 是 means to be, and adding ma turns it into a question. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your answers. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. 再见.